Good morning, Teacher Warren. Spelling words with silent letters. Letters that are part of our proper spelling but do not make a distract. Silent word is silent letters exist for some silent letter represents the meaning of words such as the silent B in the word handkerchief. Silent letter, make no sound, make no sound. I know the words, they'll show the sound, make no sound, make no sound. Go blind match, go blind match, please go.
Again, coom. Again, long O sound, coom. Again, coom. Again, that is not how it is done. Read the word and spell it out. So, for example, coom, C-O-M-B, coom. Again, coom, C-O-M-B, coom. Next, climb, C-L-I-M-B, climb. Match, M-A-T-C-H, match. Which, W-I-T-C-H, which. Ghost, G-H-O-S-T, ghost. School,
S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Knock, K-N-O-C-K, knock. Knife, K-N-I-G-H-T.
So ask them, what is the first silent letter in the first word? What is the silent letter in the first word, cool? Raise your hands. So what is the silent letter there?
B.
B. Is it correct, teacher? Okay, the second word, what is the silent letter?
B.
What is the silent letter? Is it M? Letter B. Okay, next word, match. What's the silent letter? Call someone. T? Is it silent and T? Well, actually, the answer T is correct. Okay, CH, the sound is, so the silent letter there is T, match. The answer of religion is correct. Next, which? T, yapon. Okay, next one. Sa ghost, the silent letter is H. Sa school, what's the silent letter? H. And the knock? K. The first letter K. Then the night? The first letter K. And GH also. Okay. Puzzle? Oh. Ikaw. Write the word in the board. Write the word on the board. So we can know the correct spelling. Pag kulang, you have to guess the word and write the correct spelling. What is the silent letter there? Okay, correct. 60. You have to write the word. You have to guess the word. Ask the teacher for guidance. Okay, handkerchief, what is the silent letter there? D, okay, 50 points. What is the word? That's wrong spelling. Autumn. A-T-A-U-T-U-M and N. After U is letter M. Asa man na O man na gina? U yapo. U tanan nulay O. U tanan. Autumn. Bali, M una ya N. Okay, what is the silent letter there? Letter N. Autumn. Nakuha ni Ma'am Mary Jane? Nakuha ni Ma'am Mary Jane? Why mo Ma'am Bert o kuha na? What is the word? Knuckle. Letter E, correct. Knuckle. Then prepare. Oh, na din ha. Sige, upo. Prepare your tag boards. Okay, nakuha na mga tag boards. Take your seats. Okay, may I see the word, Kaidi? Can you take a seat? Okay, the word is rhythm. And what is the silent word there? H. Correct. Korea, naro. Kani 1 to 5 group test, kani 6 to 10 individual test. So, kani basahin mo night. The word is night. Silent letter K. Tapos basa ipa-spell mo the brave knight, mga tali example natin. The brave knight save the kingdom. Again, the word is night. Naunin mo siya. Silent letter K. 1 to 5 ang nakakuan. Okay, number 1. Okay, listen to your teacher. The first word to be spelled out is, okay, silent letter. Ayaw sa pagpangutana. Let him finish again. The word is, again, the word is, no. First word, the word is night, silent letter K. Ayan pa rin ang sentence. Again, the word is, again, you say the word is, silent letter, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. May I see the answers up? Up. May I see the answers? Okay. Is it correct, teacher? As a teacher, is it correct? 10. Pneumonia. Silent letter P. The word is pneumonia. Pneumonia. Pneumo. So it's a disease, pneumonia. Again, what's the sentence? She was diagnosed with pneumonia. Pneumonia. Again, pneumonia. Okay, silent letter. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up. May I see? May I see? Okay, ipakita sa teacher. Ipakita sa teacher. Ipakita sa teacher. Lantawa teacher kung sa nga group ni 20. Okay, the correct answer is PNEU. You write the correct word on the board. You write the correct word. I-on tapos kana lang. Okay, only Carbs Servant group got the correct answer. Okay, next word is 5, 4. Oy, wrong man ang ila. Ila ka ruin ang correct. Okay, listen to the third word. Island. The silent letter is? Silent letter S. The beautiful island. Popular. Tourist destination. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up for 30 points. Ask the teacher for if it's correct. Okay, the fourth question. Okay, basahan. Bilang na ni. No. No. Silent letter G. No. The word is no. Silent letter G. Listen to the sentence. The sentence is the garden gnome. G. Letter G. Goat. Gnome. The garden gnome was... Basta mo na to siya. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up! Up! Maulahi is wrong. Pakita sa teacher. Late naman. 40. Okay, isa nga group. Okay, only 2 groups got the correct answers. Okay, next. Last number for 100 points. Air, air. The silent letter is H. Air. He was the sole heir to his father's heir. Heir, tagapagmana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up. Ipakita sa teacher, ipakita sa teacher. Ipakita sa teacher. Minus 500, hindi pa kaingkod. Okay, arrange back the chairs. Prepare 1/4 sheet of paper. Oh, correct nila, Warren. Oy, Warren, napela Jinel. Okay, prepare 1/4 sheet of paper. Dili maka-recess ang walay 1/4. ₱20, hindi pa kain ko da. 3, 2, 1. 50 na 1 arrange sa mga bangko. Make your line straight. Okay. Nine 190. Okay, announce first the score. Group 1 has third place is okay. Okay, number 1. The word is foreign. Okay, silent G, foreign. Okay, foreign, dili foreigner. Pero, yeah, same. Okay, next question, number 2. Psychology. Okay, psychology. Silent letter P. Okay, psychology. Silent letter P. Death. Okay, silent letter B. So he struggled to pay his debt. Nalisod siyang bayad sa iyang utang. Debt. Silent letter B. Wrong. Number 4 is wrong. Silent letter is W. Wrong. Sharo marong pagid mo dana? Wrong. Silent letter W. W. Oh. Debt. Utang. Ayun na, pagbalik is lang pamati. Number 5 na.
Number 5. 8. Silent G.
The 8th note. So the word is 8. Silent letter G. Okay, papers up. Exchange papers right corrected by? No, sila na magsulat. Call someone who ayaw pag score kung sila nag-check sila paper. Call someone who can write number 1.
Ako number 3 ah. Number 1. Ako number 3.
Number 2. Number 4. Dito na dapitanan. Dito na dapitanan. Kung naigitawag, si Wari na mo tawag. Mana? Okay na, 5 na. Psychology is wrong.
Sir, ako sa psychology, sir.
Yan tawa sa teacher.
Nangapi lang galing ko ako arupat yun.
Oh, Victoria, psychology. Spell it out. Yes, corrected by. Okay, are the answers correct? Yes. So, pass the perfect score first to the teacher. Okay, wala na yung perfect score. Pass the perfect score to the teacher. Sige, announce the scores. Okay, Janelle Kit, perfect. Okay, wala na. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, 4 points. 4 points. Pass it on to the teacher. 4 points. Okay, isa ra na 4. Sige. Duha. Okay, 3 points.
3 points.
3 points.
Abi no, Kirby Pelongko, I love you. Okay, 2 points. Oh, ikaw pa kadong teacher again? Hinay-hinay. GBD 3 2 David 3 Okay, 1 and 0. 1 and 0. Okay. Balik sa song. Everybody sing. 5, 6, 7, and.
Silent letter, makes no sound, makes no sound. I know the
Words will show. I know the words will show.
so silent, make no sound.
Okay, what's the topic? Everybody read. Okay, clap your hands for teacher Warren. So who